Yeah,
Welcome
babe.
again back on the road with this young, lovely lady right here. She all dolled up, ready for the road. It's a little bit dark, but I'ma give her some light. I thought she looked all sexy up.
Good morning, guys.
Seatbelt for these fans. I got fans, bro. You got fans?
No, I have a YouTube family that loves us.
Yeah, at first she got a family. Be riding and gliding.
So we definitely left the kids home.
Yeah, they still sleep. They just won't get up with
They
Grammy.
didn't wake up.
80 per day up.
I told you. Sleep by 9. That boy up early. Preparing him for school next week.
So they have everything in place.
Yeah. I can call them soon as they open up at 8 o'clock. He ain't playing with them.
Nah bang. Nah bang. Oh, oh.
Not the bang, B. I don't think nobody can go in like in-house.
Yes, but and you see the school buses rolling around?
I see the school bus through. I wanna.
I thought school bus come out there. I see one roll on there before though.
You lie.
I think that was last week.
You lie. So wherever you going.
I don't know why. I don't know why. She can be top me. But no, but that bear game is foolish.
You move my girl.
I'm no problem. I ain't drive this car in how long?
Oh, yeah, you gotta wait on that letter.
Waiting on that letter so I get my Georgia license. Might come Friday.
I'm gonna be at work. The good thing is I'll be off that Monday.
Train stop right there.
That's where it was when I was coming from work. Show them train.
Train guys. You want me to get the footage of the car guys in the car.
This is it. You see him? He cut across that Jeep.
He cut across the Jeep.
Yeah.
See that lighting, bro? See that bear, bro? I be in the cut.
You don't mean no damn cut. Not the bang. Look at the school bus.
Got the school bus out.
Yeah, because they got to pick up the high school students who go to school. But school didn't start for us yet. School don't start till the 24th. So, what happened?
Scratch my ass. She got all kind of good lighting or something. John. On the road again. So what you getting for us for breakfast?
I bought breakfast last time, so you're telling me you got breakfast this morning?
See, that's how to go through. This woman is be counting the things that she's doing. I don't count nothing. I just is doing.
I want Dunkin' Donuts.
Dunkin' Donuts. She gonna get us donuts, y'all. Donuts.
I get no donuts. They sell hot sandwiches there as well. But I feel in some iced coffee and I can't get Starbucks.
You get banana bread.
Panera Bread don't sell breakfast? Dunkin' right through there. I trying to figure out if we should stop there or go straight.
You gotta go straight.
So we can catch this 8 o'clock appointment.
Exactly. I know you don't want to be there, but we just want to make sure.
You just want to drop she off and go.
They tell you specifically to drop it off?
Yeah, she said you're going to drop off your car. You're going to sit there and stay. We have appointments. Dropping it off.
You tell her exactly what we're getting done?
Yes, I told her the engine oil is burning. What else I'm supposed to tell her?
See, I got a good wife, y'all. She remembers what I tell her. Hyundai Sonata. We got big lawsuit out on the Hyundai.
So weird.
Seeing if we can collect a check off this car.
For real, Dunkin' Donuts, what do you think? I don't want to go to the Dunkin' Donuts that's on Thornton Road. I mean, yeah. You're going to have to put that in the visa. I don't want to go to the Dunkin' Donuts that's by the dealership. I don't like them. You know why I don't like them.
And there's another thing on there. Another restaurant there.
I want iced coffee though. I want iced coffee.
Hey, comment below if y'all like iced coffee.
Like I want the caramel iced coffee.
I grew up on drinking tea. my granddaddy them taught me to drink tea.
First of all, I never say we ain't grew up on drinking tea. I grew up on drinking tea too. But y'all, I grew up. So when you grow up, what you do, you level up. Every level is a new devil. So Adrian, what your word of today is?
My word of today is productivity. Make sure you are very productive in your days, okay? Whatever you do, make sure you do it to your best ability. Make sure you get the most you can and make sure it's quality work, not no half-ass work. No half-ass shit. Right, Chili?
Right. You should be, well, you know what? You should be productive. I am not productive. Adrian is not always productive as well. When you can admit that you're not always productive, but you can be productive at all times. You can always utilize your time wisely. Time is money and money is time. Okay?
Blinding. Yo, Squiddies. I can't talk about this mask. I'm about to leave this car here at the dealership. This woman just texted me and she should be riding on. I don't know what's going on.
I'm trying to get the address in for us. I have such on there.
What y'all doing after that? Listen. Huh?
Huh?
What are y'all doing after my text?
We have an appointment. What the?
Don't tell me it's further than you anticipated.
This thing say 14-hour drive.
Oh my God, don't tell me you pulled a Sean. Shelly, isn't Sean supposed to go to the DMV, right? He set up an appointment in California.
Oh.
He did not pay attention.
The funny thing is, his auntie who's in charge of the appointment. Like, she's the one who told him to do it. She looked at the appointment too and verified everything was good.
She ain't paying attention. Oh boy, hopefully they can fix that.
They can give us a new engine.
Ah, yeah, new engine. Junior, new engine getting in the whip to you.
Or they could just fix the problem.
No, bro.
That's fixing the problem.
That's fixing the problem right there. Put a new engine in it.
Okay.
See, they got how many? That's 1, 2. That's 2, 3, 4. That's 4 right there. That's 4 right flicking to 5. 5 of the same car. 6, 7.
What are you doing?
7, 8. I tell you all, and the sets at the back too. You ain't even count down. This one's probably ready. The ones in the back, you gotta count too. Same problem. Shelly, you could have just reversed. See, I don't like reversing. Woman drivers.
You put on your seatbelt.
She said I need to put on my seatbelt.
Junior, pull out the email on your phone, please.
Yeah, that's right, Junior. You supposed to have the address? Hey, Junior?
No, I don't. I asked Kelly about it yesterday. She said, and that's when she told me I was taking me.
Yeah, but then you got the email?
No, I didn't. I told Shelly that too.
Okay, pull up the screenshot I sent you.
Well, I Shelly got the email and you ain't get it. You don't clear out your inbox, do you?
Yeah, I'm getting other emails. I'm just not getting that one. I'll probably put my email down as a backup or something.
Okay. Usage. Islander.
Test. It's just a test location, Carroll County.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
They got a RAV too. Oh no, they got a hybrid RAV. And do not fool with no hybrids.
That's what they say.
So you know how long before they break. And again, it'll cost a couple $1,000 to fix it. $1,000 miles, 10 days. 10 divided by 1,000 is how much? $100 miles a day. Shouldn't you do 100 miles a day?
Mm-hmm.
You're the one who told me that.
Yeah, I did. And then when you bring back a top every flicking, so that's what, almost 2 weeks. So 2 weeks from today. Today is the 19th. And
I
then
was going to set a reminder.
it's the 19th. So 19 plus 10, that'll be the 29th.
Yeah.
Bro, that shit could be low as fuck.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Low as fuck.
So you have to be there for 8:50. I got the address.
Michelle is 8:24.
Mm-hmm.
We got 35 minutes.
He can be okay. They there all day.
Oh, okay. That thing.
We can get that 9:06.
Oh, that girl's a chimney. She blowing it up in the
Next
cloud.
Hyundai place, and they say, "Oh, we got it fixed." The I went and got it fixed last year.
No, you got the oil change last year, and they did the knock sensor system in it. That's how you kept the powertrain warranty. That's what I told you.
I don't hope so.
Because when they called the other one, they asked for the VIN, and they said you already got the aux sensor done. And I figured, they said it was last year. And the only time you went to a dealership last year was, I remember, it was for oil change.
Exactly.
And they said that's when
they get fixed.
No, that's not when they get fixed. That's when they got the aux sensor software update on the car.
Oh, okay.
Not fixed. No, not fixed.
Y'all was this quiet in the car when we was coming here?
Yes.
There's no music on, bro. What do you want us to do? You just recording.
It's weird.
Huh?
It's just weird.
Is it weird?
It's too quiet.
It's too quiet.
You just like loud.
Hey, why you have on the mask, baby, in the car, bro?
I just didn't take it off.
Yeah, I understand, though.
Is this better?
Yeah, it's bad. I can hear you now.
That's great.
You need ready to go back to work?
Yeah.
That boy ain't seen no
You-
check drop in the
you-
account Friday. He was like, I ain't get paid Friday, Shelly. Of course he didn't get paid, buddy. He's on quarantine.
Oh, Shelly,
Yeah.
my manager got fired.
Your manager got fired?
Yeah.
Why? Huh?
I don't know, bro.
Who told you?
No one. I don't like.
How you know he got fired?
He texted me.
And said what?
He said it was nice working with you, but I am no longer your sort manager.
That means he got fired.
Shelly, there's no other sort he could work for.
Oh. Dang.
And then he kept sending me a message talking about what you call it, a promotion to manager.
For you?
I guess, but it seemed more like an automated message.
Oh.
Oh, the position open.
Yeah.
Wow, what if Junior became manager at FedEx?
Why would you tell them where
Wow.
you work?
Well, they don't know which one. That'd be interesting. Junior, how do you feel to be manager?
He said what?
Why you put the mask back on your face?
Because he's weird.
How would you feel if you became manager?
What?
How would you feel if you became manager?
God, don't pull me over.
If I became manager,
You just use your turn signal.
I mean,
Oh, when I tell you that you don't listen?
looking at what they do, it's a way simpler job. All they really do is stand there at the computer, make sure the trucks are on time.
They all say that Nelly getting a position. They even
I'm
say that
telling-
at my job.
I'm telling you exactly
Your job is real easy.
They make sure the truck's on time. They literally stand there on their phone, Shelly. Look at the screen, make sure the truck's on time. Then they walk down the row of trucks, making sure it's the right serial number on each truck. And then they help out every now and then. And if they see a place is too crowded, like the boxes are too crowded over there, they'll be like, oh, Shalene, Adrian, head over to 400, 300. That's it. And then they drive around in little carts towing trolleys that the workers pack. That's it.
Oh, okay.
That's literally all they do.
And you can do that.
So you know who to
twice a
contact?
day.
You know who to contact for you to go back?
Yeah, he just called me yesterday.
And what you told him?
I told him I was getting tested today. And he said, whenever I get my results, just let him know.
Oh, okay.
So he can put it in the system.
Oh, okay.
Communication.
That's good. Yeah, that's good communication for real. But I wonder if you can get you can get transferred to
I have to wait 90 days first, though.
I know. So that and this 2 weeks that you did, the 2 weeks quarantine that you did, technically don't even count. So you gotta.
Oh, shit.
You see what they do?
Niggas them just switch lanes. You don't care, just switch.
No signal, no nothing.
You had a signal on. This was for a quick second.
Bro.
You go to signal way before that, bro. Way before
Look. They must be following each other.
Yeah, that's how it looked when I was following you.
So that would be good.
So Shelly, how you feel?
What do you mean I feel like hungry and you ain't get the Dunkin' Donuts yet? It's a problem.
The Dunkin' Donuts.
See, y'all is hangry.
That's what I want. I want Dunkin' Donuts with the caramel.
I thought you said Dunkin'
Coffee.
I thought you said you was shopping at Dunkin' Donuts.
I said I was shopping at Starbucks.
My bad. I can't work at Target because they only get deals at Starbucks. So
You could work at Target. I don't know why you don't go and apply.
I did apply.
You upsetting me right now.
I
You
just didn't
upsetting
complete
me
the
and my
application.
homegirls. You need to complete the application because you drive clearly too far for work.
The pay is good though, and it's a workout,
that
bro.
pay is not. Junior.
It's a workout.
Let's cut this right quick. Let me train them right quick. That pay. Cut it. Cut.
That's good
Cut.
for me. It's my first job.
Junior, yes, it's good for your. It's good for your first job. But what I'm trying to tell you is, you driving